Hi, today day 39, December 20th, 2024. So we will see the update today in our series, what happened and what we are going to do, what in the past what happened. So if you are watched this video earlier, then this is a setup we made, and with the motto of this series is like with the 1 lakh, how much capital we, how much profit we can take. In so that is the motto of this. And 2 days, till 2 days back, we made a very good profit, but yesterday I last 2 days I took some little bit of risk, and now also it's fine, but still we are around 50%, I think, if I remember correctly, almost profit out of 1 lakh. And in that too in just two month, so it was good. But yesterday, 2 days I took risk, and because of that now the profit is reduced. Now what is the status? We will see by as on 39th day. It's a 39 trade day actually. Cumulative realized profit or loss will be 56702, and uncumulative unrealized profit or loss will be minus 4971. So that's a thing. And I will let you know what happened today. If you have seen my video yesterday, like last 2 days back, we are at here. This is December alone 31, and last month around 19k, and together around 50k we got, and unrealized will be 20. That will be on the Jan Jan in Jan, and trailers will be there, so we may cut down that loss as well. We have enough time. But then these 2 days what I have done, as based on some data, I assumed, I can say, or I my probability as per the data, I thought like my prediction went like it is going to go up in the um, near future, but we are not know when. But I was based on whatever data I am referring, so that showed that. So I did that, but actually it went against us. So it didn't go in the way 2, it went to way 1. That also not confirmed. Another way will be there, way 3, so it will be directly going towards downwards. So both the way it will be loss, only way 2 will give profit for us. So what we have, what happened, what I risked is like whatever I earned in the first 2 week of January, so I risked that amount. What is that amount is that 30k earlier I showed. This 32k I risked. If it went good, then I may be in very good profit also. um, so you can see, if it go well, then I will be in very good profit in a month. 50%, it's a very good amount. But I know that law thing, I didn't risk my capital, I just risked my profit. So it's anything can happen, I know that. So but it didn't go well, so it happens. And what are the mistake we made, I showed. So in that, what mistake we did is like, we should not speculate the market to gain more gains. So that's what I did last 2 days. Sometime it will go well, sometime it won't. So I didn't risk my capital, I just risked my profit I earned. And this also explained in yesterday's video. This table, what is this table? This is not actually table, this is a heat map. So this shows that December is the usually it will be very bullish. Like this is the average monthly performance for past 25 years. So it shows that December is the very bullish, and most of the time it will be closed positive, and sometime it closed negative. Some during very bad situation like 2011, that Lehman Brothers collapse, and here 2022, the inflation time, and 2014 and 2016. To the rest of the time it paused, it closed very positive only. So based on that I predicted probability will be more to close positive in the upper side. And here also, if you see, positive count will be 74% and negative count will be 26%. It means that every 4 record, 3 is going to be every 4 year. Every not 4 year, that means continuous 4 year or something. Out of 24, if 4 year if you took, there will be only one chance of it will become negative, so probability will be more. So that is the one of the reason I took bullish on last 2 days. So if it went well, I may be totally out with the help, with the capital of 1 lakh. I may got around 60k to 70k. It means like 60% in just 2 months. So it's a good thing, but it didn't go as we expected. Many times this can happen. Then now we are in 39. What I told yesterday only, I know that it didn't go well. So I told today, whenever market open, I got the opportunity, I will try to close all position and with the minimum and my aim is going to be cut down the um, cut down the losses. So what I did, one market at before 10 o'clock only, I closed most of the position. You can see positive how this is happened. Positive. Why means I closed one of the position from January also, so that because of that only it is showing some positive value 5346. Why I need to do that? Because I booked that profit from Jan, so the Jan series, so that I will get some, I will try to reduce my December series loss. Few more days will be there, but mostly I think it will go end up in a loss only. uh, I can reduce that amount. Another thing, I am transferring the risk to the Jan. So Jan means we have some more time. So if it can go anyway. Until that we can manage, we can do some adjustment, and then we can reduce the loss in that January series. So for now I am thinking about December. So I booked some profit, and other positions also there, and these are the only currently I am holding. It's around minus 20.5. So that's the reason I told, if you consider that 5k 5.3k profit earlier it's showing, I don't think so we will come end up in negative in December, because already in December itself we have 37. So even if I this the maximum loss is 22.5. If that also happened, then also we will end up with 20k. It's similar to last month, first month, 20%. But it's not the actual profit, because we just booked a few position from Jan, and because of that only we are getting, that is the truth. But why I am shifting, like I am just transferring the risk to Jan series. So, and I have some 1 month of time, and I can cut down, and in Jan also I can make that as possible positive. So that's a plan. So that's the reason I am doing it, not for any other purpose. And another thing, these are the things which usually I will check, like probability again. If it goes, it stays in the same point or going backward by the end of 26th December, we will be in this is the maximum loss. Currently it's showing 20.5 plus 2000 rupees we will lose because of time TK if I hold that in for a few more days. But you can see two CE positions I bought it. This you too you can have. I Because why I am having is that I will again use that position, and I will sell some position, and I will cut down that loss. Minimum 2k or 3k I will try. If that happens, again out of this 22.5 or 20.5, I will reduce that loss for the December series. So that's a plan. That's why I didn't close a few portion, but we don't know. But we are trying to, everyone will make mistake, but we know how to adjust that. uh, then if it goes 1 or 2%, not 1, 2 or 3%, then whatever loss we have, it will get reduced. The for every percent there will be very less movement, because we are holding only few positions. So that's the reason we need a bigger move for minimize the loss. And Jan series, we no need to consider this. This is the maximum loss we are going to get, and a minimum maximum profit we will get only if it goes on 8.5. But we have enough time. I have only less position in the Jan as of now, so I will put the opposite to the current position. So either it should recover, otherwise in the other side I will get profit. So this is how I will manage the loss. And this is the creeks we currently we have. Yesterday it's around 1000 rupees. Now we closed most of the position, so it's showing minus 341. So every day if there is no movement also, I will be losing money, but it is less compared to yesterday. And come back to the this one payoff chart. This is how it looks now currently for December. So we need to it need to move more to uh, make some difference. So but on the other side we will put some sell some call option, so that I can minimize the loss. And a very important thing I want to show you, like this is a thing you will see it in the thumbnail also. I plan to do it in the add it in the thumbnail, because today if you see this this red candle shows that airy bearish signal, and it is almost crossed that line only. This is a weekly line, so either it can come down, but why I took bullish view last 2 days, I bet why I need to risk around 30k. So you guys need to know that. And 30k, that's a hard earned money for in the first 2 3 weeks for 2 weeks of December, because getting 30k from out of 1 lakh rupees is not that easy. I did that. Why I betted the did that is like, this is the reason. It's like already took monthly multi-year breakout, I can say. 22 21 from 21 to 24, it 3 years, around 3 years it went up, and it consolidating. And from here, as per my thing, it should go up. It's a pullback kind of thing. It is coming down and touching the line, and it need to go up. So that's what I aimed. That is why I put took that risk, but it didn't go well. So it's all about probability only. We can't say that why it happened. Probability of going up will be more, so I did the position like that, but it didn't go well. It didn't go. So if it goes in the negative way also, we should accept the losses. So that's the thing. And the previous diagram showed on the upside, I drawn the trend line on the upside. Now this is the support line. If I draw the line in the downside, then it is almost touched the line in the weekly level. But this very big long bearish candle, it's not good. But anything can happen again. Whatever again I'm saying, so it will come, and it can bounce back also. So that's also chance, but we are not sure. But usually this red candle, it will show there is no buyer at lower level. And I took one more screenshot, but I haven't add, I think. This similar kind of thing happened during one of the day in November 2021. At the time, one 4 to 5%, at around 5%, I think it went down. After that, it pulled back around 9.5%. Yeah, 9.5% in the next week. Not no consolidation only. First 1 week 5% down, and the next week it will be 9% up. So that's how market will react. It will fall for some reason, and after next week the situation will change, and it will go up. And one mistake we are still doing it, we are having lot of position. We did lot of trades this month also. Last month also we should we were planned to avoid that. because you can see 44 will be there. If 44 means 44 into 2, buy and sell both say I think 88 into 35 I need to put, so around 3k 3.5k I need to pay fees alone, so that is not good. We need to think about the fee also. This series already we took lot of trades, we will try to reduce it in the Jan. So this is how you need to document all the things, and you need to learn from your mistakes. This is my suggestion, and this is all about risk management and how we are taking things. Hope you learn something. Let's see on Monday.